The LZ Festival is coming to Mondello Park on September 3rd and 4th, and it's going to be the biggest car event in the history of Ireland. Adam LZ, Jimmy Oakes, TJ Hunt, James Dean, the list goes on. But in case you've been living under a rock and you need a little bit more convincing, I've got 10 more reasons why this event is going to be unmissable. The most controversial and crazy drifter in the world, Luke Fink, returns to Ireland for plenty of controversy, and the only way he's going to do it is in the Low Brain Drifters PS13. The car and driver are back together for one weekend only. He's known for building some of the most badass drift cars in the world. Sultan Al-Qasimi's built carbon fiber Aston Martins, S15s and E92s. But at the LZ Festival, he's debuting the most expensive and advanced A86 ever seen on the planet. So secret that we don't even know what it looks like, but it's going to be there. And if you're a fan of crazy A86s, well, the one that started the trend is being resurrected for the first time in over 6 years. The Driftworks DW86 with Phil Morrison is coming back to Ireland to tear the place apart. And if bringing that car wasn't enough, Phil Morrison is bringing over his manually converted, independent throttle body V12 Lamborghini Murcielago to shred some tires in Mondello Park. Yes, this is really happening. Is your mind blown already? Well, it's about to get worse. I'm so sorry, because we got more crazy cars coming. Auto Finesse, for the first time in Ireland, are bringing their Liberty Walk silhouette kitted S15 for the show. This thing's got a drag engine. We might even see it do some burnouts. Either way, you've got to check it out. Okay, let's talk about that Sunday competition. Well, if we're going to have a sellout show and some of the best drifters in the world, we've got to have the best drifters in the world. Confirmed this week, Dwayne McKeever, Jack Shanahan and Connor Shanahan will all be stepping into the LZ Festival competition on the Sunday. Things just got a lot more competitive. And just to make me a little bit nervous and excited, Colette Davis will be driving the Drift Games Corvette on the Sunday in the competition. It's a similar build to what she drives in the US, so let's see how she gets on against the best in Europe and back home. And next up, I mean, we have a lot announced already, but this might be one of the biggest. Darren McNamara's Quattro drift car. Well, it might just be debuting at this event, the LZ Festival. We've been waiting over 7 years for this car. Darren reckons it might just be there to shred some tires. I told you, at this event, you're going to see stuff you've never seen before. And one of those is my good pal Axel's rotary-powered Corvette. It's going to be taking part in the competition on the Sunday. It's there on view the whole weekend. This is one of the wildest builds in the history of drifting, and it's at the LG Festival. Oh, what? You wanted more crazy machinery at this event? Well, my boy Steve Bagsy Biagioni is bringing his 1200 horsepower Nissan Navara GTR to the event to do some big burnouts. And last, but very much not least, I can confirm that the car show at the LZ Festival will be the largest in Irish car culture history. There has never been so many show cars from Ireland, the UK and Europe coming to one event, and they're all coming for you to check them out at the LZ Festival on September 3rd and 4th. We can also confirm that we are putting in more grandstand seats for the event. The capacity for attendance has been risen. Big screens, cameras, everything is going into this event. We're doing it one time only, so if you miss it, it will never happen again. Tickets are on sale now on the mondellopark.ie website. Get on it, guys. This is going to be absolutely mind-blowing.